In today's video, I'm sharing with you my favorite breakfast of all time. This is a great dish coming from the northern part of Ghana. It's absolutely amazing. So I really hope you stay tuned and let's do this together. Hello and welcome back. If you're new here, a warmly welcome to you. And please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So let's jump right into it. For my ingredients, of course, you need your millet, which I've soaked for 24 hours. Also, I have some ginger, dry pepper, cloves, peppercorn, and grains of selim. All right, we'll go ahead to rinse my millet, then blend it with the other ingredients. Guys, I would like to take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my returning and new subscribers. Just want to say thank you so much for the love and support. God bless you. Please not to worry, I've listed the measurements and the ingredients in the description box below, so please do check it out. So Hausa Koko was created in the northern area of Ghana. It is made from millet with a few local spices added to give it a particular taste or color. It is a popular Ghanaian street food and commonly consumed as a breakfast meal or can be taken in the late afternoon as snack. So if you've never tried it, you should try it because it tastes amazing. So guys, it's time for us to blend everything together. Okay, you really need a lot of water because you want to extract as much juice from the mixture. Okay, add in my water, then cover it and let it blend until it is smooth. Once I'm done blending, I will strain it with a cheesecloth. But if you don't have the cheesecloth, you can use your regular strainer. But you will have to strain it a couple of times to get the smoothness. So I think the cheesecloth does the job perfectly. One thing I normally do is that I don't throw the chaff away, okay? I save it in my freezer because it is quite a process, okay? So anytime I want to make cocoa, I'll just bring it out, blend it with more spice, and that's about it. So don't throw yours away, okay? Because it really saves time. So once I'm done, we'll go ahead to cover it and allow it to sit for another 24 hours. After 24 hours, I'm going to separate the water on top and transfer it into my pot and allow it to boil up because that's what we'll be using for our cocoa. I don't know why, I just so excited for this cocoa. So after 15 minutes, I went ahead to turn off the heat. But first, please make sure to remove the foam surface you see on top because it can create lumps in the cocoa and we do not want that. Next is to prepare my dough. So it really depends on how you want yours, okay? I want mine in between, not too thick, not too light. This is a very critical moment. You have to be very smart about it. While pouring your water, you just have to stir very well because as you're stirring, it thickens up. Oh boy, I made it too light. So we'll add the rest of the millet dough to thicken it up. So in a different case, where your cocoa is too thick, you will need to add in hot water, okay? Next, we'll cover it and allow the heat to cook our cocoa. It should take about 10 to 15 minutes. And there you have it, guys. Our Hausa Koko is ready and we are digging it in. So head to your kitchen and make this amazing breakfast for your family. And trust me, they will love you forever. And also, if you've not yet subscribed, kindly do so to help this channel. Thank you so much. God bless you. And until next time, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.